We, the Palestinian Youth Movement, express our solidarity with the people of Kashmir as they continue to bravely resist occupation by Indian military forces. For decades, the people of Kashmir have fought for their right to political sovereignty and autonomous recognition from India as a nation and as a people. Although Article 370 of India's constitution was supposed to give Kashmir some degree of autonomy by designating it as a special administrative region, the Indian state's limited role on paper has never reflected the reality of the occupation, which extends deeply into the everyday lives of Kashmiris and has long denied them their right to self-determination. The revoking of Article 370 this month is but one of an exhaustive list of the Indian state's repeated violations of Kashmir's sovereignty and the dignity of its people. In recent weeks, the Indian military has taken particularly extreme measures to enforce the revoking of Article 370, deploying Indian military forces there to enforce the new political reality. In Kashmir today, 1 million Indian forces are actively occupying universities, student hostels, police stations, court chambers, and other government buildings to enforce the occupation. All telephone and internet services have been shut down to prevent communication to the outside world. As Palestinian youth, we are all too familiar with the realities of foreign and military occupation at the cost of a people's right to self-determination. Moreover, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi is actually the first in history to visit Israel and has worked to forge a personal, political, and militaristic relationship with the Zionist state. His foreign imposition of Indian nationalism on a people and land who have long fought for their national autonomy is a denial of the right to self-determination, as much as the Zionist state's actions are a denial of our right to self-determination to reclaim our homeland as Palestinians. We firmly stand with the people of Kashmir in their struggle for liberation as they continue to bravely resist occupation on their land. From Kashmir to Palestine, occupation is a crime.